Crab, go to an ocean. Look at the sand. You might see a crab. A crab is not fat. A crab is flat. It has a shell. It has 8 legs and 2 claws. Crabs jab at fish with their claws. Crabs can live in water. Crabs can live on land. Here are the word families for that story. Crab, jab, lab, tab, cab, gab, fab, dab, nab, jab. At, fat, cat, rat, bat, sat, pat, hat, mat, tat. And, land, sand, band, hand, and, hand, sand, land, band.